To the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn basically about how to reduce your SketchUp file size and majorly that how to clean your SketchUp model so it runs smoothly. So basically that you will be seeing right over here are the guides that are used for knowing a specific distance or things like that. So when you are working on a SketchUp model, you do this often and often forget to delete it. So these all elements adds up to the size. So basically what you have to do is just go to edit and just click on delete guides. So only in one click all the guides will be deleted. The second step that you have to do is go into the Windows tab right over here, go into preferences, go into Windows tab right over here, go into model info, and just click on purge unused. So as you can see it over here, the model has purged the things that are not used, and basically the components that are lying just like that or lines that are double and things like that, you just have to click right over here and your model is good to go. So that was it for the video. The video was majorly about how to reduce the size of your SketchUp model and how to clean it. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it. And thank you.